Hello trader, stop. Don't trade today until you see this analysis. Aboeg 001 is here. Let me break down the market and let's see the opportunity market created for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from, you already know what we doing in this platform. We analyze the chart and see the opportunity market created for us seriously. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate. To those of you just my video just pop up to your screen, it get the reason why my video just pop up to your screen. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. But the main important thing there is that you don't just scroll up and see what I'm saying. Just kindly spend me an hour out of your time to watch this video and learn from it seriously. So those of you that using my signal, kindly don't forget to use proper risk management, please and please. And for those of you that we are in loss yesterday, market trigger us out. So let's quickly go into the charts. Before you go into the charts, you know what we do. We go to into the Forex factory. Maybe there is high hypotenuse or there is no hypotenuse on those pair we are trading. And on euro, around 115, there is no hypotenuse on euro. And around 145, there is high hypotenuse on euro. So the currently but on USD, there is no hypotenuse on USD. So let's quickly go into the chart back and see what the market has for us. Yeah, we are on chat now. You already know we started from sliver. We started from go with daily time frame. This is what daily time frame is giving us. It's giving us the power of what downtrend, and this is the last break of total market again. And this is what the market is giving us. As for me, there is small FEG here. There is small FEG here. You can see the small FEG, and what we are having now, we have what we have supply. This is the supply and we have small FEG here. So as for me, I'm still expecting uptrend. Let's see if the market can go up. So this is what I'm expecting. The market to mitigate the supply before I can say what's downtrend. So let's quickly move to what this is our higher time frame to see what the market is doing. This is our key level. These are what these are swing high and this is our swing low. This is the demand we are expecting the market to buy. So definitely market is in between market is in between the swing high and the swing low. Sorry for that. So let's see the recent what market is doing. This is what recent break of structure to downtrend. You can see the recent break of structure to downtrend, and this is the supply, and we are having what's downtrend. Let's move to forward time frame to read the structure. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us, and as for me, this is what I'm seeing on 1 hour time frame seriously. This is what daily supply, and this is 1 hour time frame is giving us. As for me, this is our trade yesterday, but market triggers. You can see on 1 hour. Wait, before we analyze today, you can see market triggers out and go and went in our favor. So this is not valid anymore. As for me, this is what the market is giving me now. I can say this as what this is what break of structure. You can see the demand on what on 4 hour time frame. This is the demand on 4 hour time frame, and this is the supply. The market just broken. So this is let's say resistance. But as for me, I'm seeing a liquidity uptrend. I'm seeing a liquidity out of this is a liquidity swept. This is a liquidity swept market. You can see this is a liquidity swept market. And on 4 hour cycle, after the liquidity swept, I'm seeing market structure shift here. I'm seeing market structure shift here. This is demand. So You can see there is FEG down. So this is market structure shift. Let's move to 1 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the market structure shift and 4 hour gave us. As for me, I cannot say this is what this is. I cannot say this is what this is done, but as for me, this is an order block on 1 hour time frame. So let's see if the market can come down into this what into this demand. You can see this is demand 4 hour gave us. And let's see daily time frame. We are having what we are having FEG on daily time frame itself. You can see this is the FEG we are having on daily time frame. But 4 hours giving us this is the demand 4 hours is giving us. You can see, and on 1 hour time frame, it's aligned with what? It's aligned with 4 hours. Sorry, at up. This is a liquidity swept. This is a liquidity because this is the reconstruction. This is the reconstruction. Market swept this liquidity up here, and this is the supply. Let's see. This is the supply. So as for me, I'm seeing a market structure shift after a liquidity swept. I'm seeing a market structure shift. And on 1 hour time frame, this is what I'm saying. You can see the market structure shift. So there is other block here. Let's see if the market what can trigger us in and continue to this demand. So let's see if this demand can buy the market up. Because from this is what change of character and market retracing 50%. You can see, and from this market does not retrace at 50%. You can see before it continue the uptrend here. It does not reach 50%. So let's just be focused. So I'm expecting a downtrend from here. Let's move to 30-minute time frame. This is 30-minute time frame. This is where we are expecting a downtrend. So let's see if the downtrend is still valid or not. This is 15-minute time frame. This is the other block. So let's just wait and see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying to do. As for me, let's see what the market is trying to do. This is this is what this is what Steve gave us. Let's move to gold. This is what gold is saying from daily time frame also. This is our swing high here, and this is our swing low. This is demand, and you can see on daily time frame, this is the last break of structure, and we are having supply. But this is not a supply opportunity because market does not because this place was not breaking this structure. So definitely, well, hey, I'm sorry. Back to what? Back to Steve. Back to Steve. Sorry, the coordinates. These are our entry now. These are our take profits. Why these are our stop trade. So we are selling the market. So this is all what we are having. So this is what gold is giving us from daily time frame. This you can see this is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is the demand. You can see this is demand and this is the break of structure. And we are having supply here. This is what we are having. On 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame, this is 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure for I gave us. And what we are having, as for me, what we are having now, this place has turned to what has turned to resistance. On 4 hour time frame, you can see this place has turned to resistance. This this place has turned to resistance as for me because we are having entire break of structure here. You can see and it has turned to resistance. This is what the market is trying to do. And all what we are having now, we are having FEG here, but I can see a liquidity swept from up here because there is break of structure and which is there is demand here. This is break of structure which is there is demand here. So this is what the market is giving us seriously. But this is what 4 hours stay is giving us. We are having FEG here. You can see the FEG we are having here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see what the market is giving us. But on 4 hour time frame, this is a liquidity swept here. As for me, this is a liquidity swept here. Let's say on 1 hour, maybe there's FEG over there. On 4 hour, this will serve as market structure shift. You can see this serve as market structure shift. And we're having demand here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what we are having. If you want to read this structure on 1 hour time frame, this is what break of structure, and this may serve as what change of character. Seriously, this may serve as change of character, and this is demand because this is break of structure. All this one has already been mitigated. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. So we are expecting a buy from here, but let's see what market is doing. This is market structure shift on 4 hour time frame, while on 1 hour time frame, this is what we are having on 1 hour time frame. And as for me, I'm having other block here, which means we are going down into this demand zone. sorry, we are selling into that demand zone. So this is all what I'm seeing. This is our entry. This is our take profit. Right, this is our stop trade. So this is what we are having. Let's see on 30-minute time frame, you can see this is what we are having also. So let's just be focused. If you will say our stop loss will be large, but let's just be focused because we have further block here and we are taking our take profits here. So this is what we are having on good on 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us also. So let's see what the market has for this. Is what the market we are selling the market into this opportunity. Seriously. So let's move to US 30. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is demand. This is what we are having now. So on daily time frame, since you have seen this is our swing high and this is our swing low, this is demand. This is what we are having. This is the last break of structure. So this is the supply. You can see what the market has done to this supply. So market is in this what? In this zone. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to see what market is doing on 4 hour. This is what from 4 hour time frame is giving us. This is what the market is trying to give us. You can see. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what we are having on 1 hour time frame. This is break of structure. This is shield of character. This is what this is what we are having. You can see. So let's move to 30-minute time frame. Let's see where we can see the sell. This is 30-minute time frame. This is what we are having. You can see. But the market is not giving us structure very well. But we are having sell from here on 15-minute time frame. Let's see what we have on 15-minute time frame. We guys, we guys be patient. We are not just taking trade anyhow seriously. That's why I'm patient seriously. That is why I'm patient seriously. And if I want to take this trade from 50-minute time frame, this is the FEG. I can just come here and take the trade. But as for now, let's just be focused seriously because there's other block here. We are having a sell opportunity here. So this is what we are having. Seriously, this is what we are having. This is a downtrend opportunity, and this is what we are having. Let us be focused. Seriously, this is what I can see in the market today. Seriously, let's just. I'm not in mood. I do not know the reason why because I have headache overnight. Seriously, I have headache overnight, so my body is not active. So I guess my body is active. But you let me see bad. We are selling the market, so my body is active. Any see resistance that drain my step, that drain my strength is cut off. These are take profit. Any seeing resistance that drained my strength is cut off, and these are stop trade. My future align with my calling. These are stop trade. My step align with my calling, and we are selling the opportunity. You can see where we are selling the opportunity. So let's move to GU. Let's see what GU has for us. This is GU. This is the opportunity GU is trying to give us. And from daily time frame, this is what we are having. This is our swing high here. And this is our swing low. This is the last break of structure market gave us. And you can see. As for me, this field has served as resistance and this field has served as support because market couldn't break it with full body candle. Seriously, just break it with weak candle, which means this is what liquidity strength. Seriously. And on daily time frame, we are having demand zone here. You can see the demand zone we are having here on daily time frame. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure. Let's see if the market can enter this opportunity. But what market is doing, I can see liquidity strength here. But let's see 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This was on 4 hour time frame. Let's just see if this demand can push the market up. So this is what I can see. But gold, silver, and GBP, GU and U and Euro, they move in the same direction. Let's see 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. Seriously. As for me, market is in this what is in this demand. So I'm having what break of structure. You can see the base break of structure. I'm having the break of structure and I'm having other block here. So let's see if the market can sell from here. And there is what liquidity here. Let's see if we can see a sell from here. And this is what this other block. We are selling into this zone. This is a sell opportunity. And this is our entry. This is our take profit. Why this is our stop trade. We are selling the market. This we are selling market to this demand again. So let's see if this because we are having all what I can see now. We are having liquidity here. We are having liquidity. So let's see if we can sell to this zone before we can decide market is in uptrend. As for now, market is still selling. So let's move to EU. Let's see what EU asks for us. This is EU. This is what the market asks for. From daily time frame, this is what we are having. You can see this is the supply, this is the order block, and this is the what? This is the swing high. This is the swing low. Market has broken this swing low, give us another check. We can see what market give us break of structure to downtrend. All what I can see now. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the break of the 4 hour time frame give us. You can see market has mitigated ease every time. This has turned to resistance. This has turned to resistance, and this is the last. And this is the last what break of structure 4 hour gave us. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is trying to do on 1 hour time frame. So we on this market, we guys be patient, seriously. On this market, you guys be patient. If GU is giving us sell, Euro must give us sell also. But we were only just withdraw. We don't know where to take this opportunity. As for me, this is a liquidity straight on 4 hour time frame. This is a liquidity straight on 4 hour time frame. And we have a FEG here also. You can see the FEG over here. So we are selling the market from there. And this is what we are having on 1 hour time frame. It has always been indicated on 1 hour time frame itself. Let's move to 30-minute time frame. Let's see the opportunity 30-minute time frame is giving us. All what I can see now is downtrend, seriously. But the downtrend is not going to be a far downtrend, it's going to be a near downtrend because this is where the market started selling the market. You can see this will serve as a liquidity sweep for me. Every liquidity sweep here. A 15-minute time frame, let's see where we can see the opportunity. This is 15-minute time frame. This is what the market is trying to give us. All this was already mitigated. 1 hour gave me a liquidity sweep here. And this is what this is break of structure, but so I'm expecting a sell from here into this zone. Let's see if the market can respect this zone because I'm seeing an FEG here. I'm seeing a tiny FEG here, but let's use this as what other block. So these are entry. These are take profits. Why these are stop trade? And this is what we are having seriously. We are having a sell opportunity. So this is what the opportunity market creates. The opportunity market created for us. So let's move to UJ. Let's see if you want opportunity on UJ also. UJ is UJ is buying. It's just buying the market. This is what we are having on UJ. These are our swing. You can see the swing high, and these are our swing. These are what? These are our swing low. Our market has broken this swing high. You can see market retested it too. Sorry for that. Market turning to support to resistance, and we are having this is the last break of structure we are having here. This is the break of structure we are having here. You can see. And what I can wait, I can see now is just what in an uptrend market. You just find a way to to buy this market. And on when we move to 1 hour time frame, this is 1 hour time frame. So this is an order block opportunity because it's the one that give us what uptrend. It's the one that give us what FEG is the one that give us the FEG, and we are buying the market from there. So this is the opportunity market gave us. And it should. Everyone should today. Sorry for that. Move to this is what market on 30-minute time frame you can see. So we are buying the market from here on 30-minute time frame also. So let's just see our entry. I'll stop trade. So this is all what we are having seriously. Yeah, just buying the market. Let's see GG. Let's see what GG has for us. From daily time frame, this is what we are having on GG. You can see this is the last break of structure. This is demand. This is the swing high. Let's just see what we can do on 4 hour time frame. This is what the market give us. After the market together this demand, this is what the market gave us. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see opportunity. On 1 hour time frame, there is no opportunity itself because this is the last break of structure. On 4 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure. And this is the 4 hour demand. This is where this one has turned to resistance sef because market touches it was multiple times, but this is where the buyer started selling the market because it gave us break of structure. Yes. It's still a supply because market broken that structure, so it's still a supply. So let's see if the market can if this supply can give us another downtrend again. But if market broken, it definitely it has not to worse, it has not to uptrend. But we got be focused, we got see our confirmation, but as for now we are still selling into this what. So this is all what I can see. Our entry, our take profit. Our stop trade. So this is our stop trade. So this is what we are having. So seriously, we are selling the market. So let's just see BTC. Let's see what BTC has for us. Crypto and let's see what crypto has for us. BTC and Ethereum. Market is in our demand. So this demand is still is the one that we are still anticipating. So let's see if we can see a confirmation entry. There's no confirmation entry self yet. So let's just be patient. And 10 15 minute time frame. Let's just be patient. We have not seen the market structure shift here. If you see market structure shift, definitely what market is what as for now. Let's just wait. If you see market structure shift, you use this FEG what as opportunity. Let's see Ethereum. This is Ethereum. Market is in this our FEG. So let's see if this FEG is going to push it up again. So this is what VTC and Ethereum is giving us. But let's see. We are selling the market on this other block on gold on silver. On gold too, we are selling the opportunity from here. On what? On US 30, we are selling the opportunity from here. On GU, we are selling the opportunity from here. On EU, we are selling the opportunity from here. We are buying from here while we are selling from here. So let's see what the market is trying to do. So this is the opportunity market gave us. So this is the opportunity I'm looking into. Please kindly do the brace and please kindly don't forget to use proper risk management. You already know. If you want more of this kind, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the next video. Seriously. And this today is going to be our day, and we are going to be a successful and profitable in this trading journey. And in that case, we are doing. Peace and love. Have a successful day. Thanks.